guys, Colin McLeod with the Stock Market Basics. Continuing on with our intraday stock picks for December 13th, 2013, we've got the shorts. Now the first short on our list today is AKAM. This is in the internet sector and trades on NASDAQ. We like this company as a short for today for the following reasons. The stock was in an uptrend until it had a huge gap down in October. Since the gap lower, the stock has not been able to stage a rally. Over the past month, the stock has made 2 lower highs, and yesterday the stock moved below the post-gap trading range, putting every long that got in over the last few months into a losing position. We'll see if all of the longs abandon their positions as the market opens, and if this stock does fall below 43.65, we plan to go short on it with a price target of 42.58. Here's a daily chart of AKAM. Next up, we've got CL. This is in the personal products sector and trades on the New York Stock Exchange. We like this company as a short for today for the following reasons. The stock is in a long-term uptrend. The stock has made a high late in October and has not been able to move up any higher. Since late October, the stock has been trading in a very narrow range. Buying interest looks muted as the formations look more and more like a top. And yesterday the stock inched below this top formation and closed at the lows. We'll see if this stock can break support as the market opens today, and if it does fall below $63.85, we plan to short the stock with an intraday price target of $62.70 a share. Here's a daily chart of CL. Short number 3 on the list for today is CVE. This is in the energy sector and trades on the New York Stock Exchange. We like this company as a short for tomorrow for the following reasons. The stock is in a downtrend and has not participated in the overall rally this year. The stock has been trading in a narrow range for some time with a series of lower highs and lower lows. 2 days ago, the stock had a big day down on heavy volume, and today the stock followed through to the downside on heavy selling, closing clearly below the last low of the daily chart. We'll see if this stock can continue downward momentum, and if it does fall below $20 a share, we plan to short the stock with a price target of $27.65 as an intraday trade. Here's a daily chart of CVE. Next up, we've got DF. This is in the food products sector and trades on the New York Stock Exchange. We like this one as a short for tomorrow for the following reasons. The stock has been moving lower since July of this year. In November, the stock gapped lower on heavy volume and has not been able to recover. Over the past few sessions, the stock has been dropping as longs abandoned their positions, and yesterday the stock had another big down day on strong volume, closing near the lows. We'll see if this stock can continue to the downside as the market opens today, and if it does drop below $16.90, we plan to short the stock with a daily intraday price target of $16.54. Here's the daily chart of DF. Short number 5 on the list for today is RAI. This is in the tobacco sector and trades on the New York Stock Exchange. We like this tobacco company as a short for today for the following reasons. The stock topped out in November and has been moving lower since. The last rally fell short of previous highs and the stock reversed as volume came into the selling side. And yesterday the stock had a big down day to support on heavy volume, closing near the lows. We'll see if this stock can break support today, and if it does fall below $49 a share, we'll consider shorting it with a price target of $48.10. Here's a daily chart of RAI. Next up, we've got SUNE. This is in the semiconductor sector and trades on the New York Stock Exchange. We like this company as a short for today for the following reasons. The sector has been looking pretty toppy at the end of the last move up that started in October. The stock came off the highs and consolidated for a few sessions, and yesterday the stock gapped lower and sold off on extremely heavy volume. We'll see just how low prices can go as the market opens, and if it does fall below $11.29, we'll consider it as a short with a daily price target of $10.80. Next up, and the last on our list for today, we've got SYK. This is in the medical equipment sector and trades on the New York Stock Exchange. Now we like this one for a short for today for the following reasons. The stock has been looking pretty toppy with no follow through to the upside. Volume has dried up on the buying side 2 days ago, the stock had a big day down and closed at support, and yesterday the stock broke through the support and closed at the lows on increasing volume. We'll see just how low this stock can go as the market opens tomorrow, and if it does, today, and if it does drop below 71.70, we'll consider it as a short with a daily price target of 70.67 as an intraday trade. Here's the daily chart of SYK. Once again, my name is Colin McLeod from thestockmarketbasics.com. Be sure to subscribe to this channel for future updates, as well as checking out our Freedom 35 membership program.